Welcome to our video on meal planning and blood sugar management. In this video, we will be sharing some valuable tips using Amiclear to help you better manage your blood sugar levels through smart meal planning. If you want to improve your overall health and reduce the risk of blood sugar spikes, this video is for you. Before we dive into the tips, let's take a moment to understand blood sugar levels. Blood sugar, or glucose, is the main source of energy for our bodies. However, high blood sugar levels can lead to serious health problems, including diabetes. By managing our blood sugar levels, we can maintain a healthier lifestyle and minimize the risks associated with high blood sugar. One of the most important tips for managing blood sugar levels is to balance your meals. This means incorporating a good mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. Carbohydrates can cause blood sugar levels to rise, so it's essential to choose complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables over simple carbs. Protein and healthy fats can help slow down the absorption of glucose, preventing drastic spikes in blood sugar. Controlling portion sizes is another effective way to manage blood sugar levels. Overeating can lead to excess glucose in the bloodstream, causing blood sugar spikes. By practicing portion control, you can ensure you're consuming the right amount of food to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Amiclear can help you in portion control by providing clear guidelines on serving sizes and helping you make informed choices. Planning your meals in advance can greatly assist you in managing your blood sugar levels. By having a well-thought-out meal plan, you can ensure that you have balanced and nutritious meals readily available. Take some time each week to plan your meals, create a shopping list, and prepare ingredients in advance. With Amiclear, you can access a variety of meal planning resources and recipes that are specifically designed for blood sugar management. Regular physical activity plays a vital role in managing blood sugar levels. Exercise helps your body use insulin more effectively, which can lead to better blood sugar control. Engaging in activities such as walking, jogging, cycling, or any form of cardio can make a significant difference in your blood sugar levels. Consult with your healthcare professional before starting any exercise routine. Successfully managing your blood sugar levels through meal planning is essential for your overall health and well-being. By maintaining a balanced diet, controlling portion sizes, planning ahead, and staying active, you can take control of your blood sugar levels and prevent unnecessary health complications. Remember to consult with your healthcare professional and explore the resources offered by Amiclear for additional support on your journey to better blood sugar management.